Welcome back to Tech Cloud TV. I'm here with the last part series. Here, part number 5, episode 5. Today we're going to encrypt a Windows VM with Azure Encryption. So, sounds pretty cool. So basically, while all VM disks in Azure will have a base level of encryption at rest, Azure Disk Encryption helps protect your organization's data using keys stored in the Azure Key Vault, a cloud-based central management tool for keys and other secrets. So basically today, we have new data on the drive, basically on the web server that needs formatting. And we need to deploy the Azure encryption to our VM. We're going to complete by connecting our VM using Azure Bastion as before and formatting the drive. And then we're going to set up an Azure Key Vault. And then we're going to apply the Azure encryption to our VM. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, log into your Azure Portal. Here on the home page, you should have these things here that we've been working on since episode 1 of this event series in regards using Microsoft Azure Portal. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on our original VM over here in the overview section here. And then on the left side, we're going to look for this. Click on this, go to additional settings. And under this, we're going to encrypt, and then we're going to choose the OS and data disk. Choose that, as you can see. Going to create a new Key Vault. Key Vault name here. Choose a name. Do Key V, stand for Key Vault. It's all loud. It's already in use. Put a hyphen. Really? Okay, that'll work. And then as far as leave this here, pricing tier standard. Boom, boom, boom. Leave that like it is. Click on next. Oh yeah, so here for resource access, click on Azure Disk Encryption for volume encryption. And then we're going to click next to go back. Hold on one second, I think I missed a step. Oh yeah, I forgot to scroll down, my apologies. So go back to the original page in basics. Leave this like it is. After you put the name, leave that standard. Days to retain deleted vaults. We ain't going to do 90, we're going to do 7. And leave that like it is. Hit next. And then like here, check Azure Disk Encryption for volume encryption. And after we do that, we're going to go ahead and click next again and go to the networking tab. So with networking, this will allow the use of Key Vault secrets by Azure Disk Encryption. Everything is good here. We don't need to change anything. Tags. Then we'll go ahead and click on. Make sure I review my notes. Alright, we'll go ahead and click on review and create. Just double check everything. Make sure this is the name that you chose. This is 7 days, and everything else. This is enabled too for volume encryption. And look like we're good there. And go ahead and click create. Submit deployment. We'll just wait for that to finish deploying. Alright, so it should be able to select the key. It'll take you here back to the disk settings. This is here. So we're gonna select the key. I know keys to select. Alright, so we need to go ahead and create a new key. So go ahead and name your key. Leave everything else as it is. Key type, RSA, everything, just leave it like it is. And once you put the name in, go ahead and click create. Alright, and for version, I think it should only be, this is the only version that's available. So you just keep that like it is. And then we'll go ahead and click save. So this will update the disk encryption settings on the VM lab. And it will take a few minutes while both of the VM disks are encrypted with the Azure Disk Encryption. Once completed, you can, for both OS disk and data disk, check the encryption columns and have the values of SSE with PMK and ADE. This verifies the disks are now encrypted with Azure Disk Encryption. Basically, once updated, we'll go ahead and click on overview to go back to our VM lab overview. So let's see. I'm going ahead and pause the recording while deployment is in progress still. Alright, so deployment process has completed. As you can see right here, click on go to resource. Yeah, we need to go back to the original VM. I don't know why they keep doing this. Let's see. Alright, move it out of the way. Go back down to disk. As you can see, the encryption is SSE with PMK and ADE. So for the OS disk and the data disk, so everything's been fully encrypted, read and write, reading only. Alright, so we're good there. So congratulations. You have encrypted a Windows Server 2019 virtual machine using Azure Key Vault and Azure Disk Encryption. Now that you have completed all of the basically tutorials, it was 5 of them. You have successfully deployed and configured a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. So congratulations to you who went through the whole 5-part series. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I definitely have more content coming your way. And once again, thank you. Thank you for watching Tech Cloud TV. And once again, enjoy the rest of your day. Until again, We out of here. God bless.